Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to present about our group projects. This is my team members. Start with Khairan Koyum, Wan Alif Fidaus, Muhammad Dian, Zarin Naif, Abang Muaz, Akif Hamid, and me myself Azad Darwish, Wan Alif Daniel, Roman Nur Hakim, Nur Haikal, and lastly Nick Muhammad Adam. And I'm going to pass the project presentation to Nick Muhammad Adam. Thank you.
Our project aims to analyze and develop a solution to enhance the network design of Skychips Sdn Bhd, an integrated circuit design company located in Penang Cyber City. With over 200 staff members and administrators, Skychip requires a reliable and efficient ICT infrastructure to support its operations. However, the current network topology presents several challenges that hinder effective communication and access to the internet. As a result, company activities are disrupted and the need for more systematic network framework is evident. So for the problem statement, the first one is the complex network connectivity. Inadequate LAN setting and the absence of network layer device make internal network connectivity complex. The second one is the disorganized network configuration. The network server lack organization, leading to maintenance difficulties and improper device connections. The third one is the outdated and damaged equipment. The use of outdated and damaged equipment hampers device functionalities and network accessibility. And the last one is the absence of centralized data management. The company lacks a centralized data management system, causing inefficiencies in data storage and updates. So for the project objective, the first one in assesses networking infrastructure needs, analyze Skychip's networking requirements. The second one is establish proper networking topology, design and implement a structured network topology for improved connectivity. The third one is device implementation. Deploy suitable networking devices such as switches, routers, servers for efficient communication. And the fourth one is centralized software management. Introduce a centralized software management system for streamlined file tracking and updates.
Okay, for the topology for this project, this is essential to have an optimal design when developing and designing a network of the company. In the context, this project have selected the star network topology for the network design of the company. So, what is star topology? The star topology is networking configuration where all devices are connected to the central node such as router, hub, and switch. Let's dive into the advantage of this topology and understand how it benefits for our company network infrastructure. One of the key advantages for the star topology is allow several devices to communicate data smoothly. This means our network can handle large quantity of the traffic without a risk data collision. As a result, Skychip will have a high-performing network infrastructure capable of supporting the network data intensive tasks and requirements. Next, in a star topology is single device failure does not result in a network of data transmission outage. Each device connected individually to the central nodes means the one device fail, the rest of company remain unaffected. This fault isolation is ensure that company operation in each room can continue without disruption, even if a device failure occur. It exchange network stability and minimize downtime, promoting productive within the organization. Moreover, implementation star topology is cost effective for Skychip. Each Each device in the network only require one input-output port and need to be linked to hub switch or single link. This simply to connectivity reduce for the infrastructure cost and as compared to the other topologies. By staying without the budget requirement of the company, we can achieve an efficient and economic network design. Lastly, the topology provides scalability and flexibility to accommodate features upgrade and change in the network. Adding or remove device from the network does not disrupt data communication between existing devices. This means that scale chip without causing interruption in the network use. This allows ease to network management and ensure the company can adapt to its development needs.
So for the requirements, there are 4 departments: admin office, server room, R&D lab, and staff room. There are 4 VLANs and have different device in each room. So for the department and device used for the project, the first one is the admin department. 3 desktop computer, 1 printer and 1 layer 2 switch. The R&D lab, 3 desktop computers, 1 printer and 1 layer 2 switch. For the staff room, 2 desktop computer, 2 printers, 1 access point, 1 tablet, 2 smartphones and 1 layer 2 switch. And for the server room, 1 desktop computer, 3 server, DHCP, HTTP and FTP, and 1 layer 2 switch.
For the figure 2, it shows the network configuration of the server room at the company. By referring to figure 2, the server room is using VLAN 3, which consists of 3 servers, which are DHCP server, HTTP server, and FTP server respectively. The server room also includes a single PC named PC3. The gateway for VLAN 3 was set as 192.168.3.100/24, with the network address as 192.168.3.0/24 and an IP address of 192.168.3.250/24. Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Haikal. Now I will continue the presentation. For the figure 3, it shows the network configuration for the admin office, VLAN 4 at the company. By referring to the figure 3, the admin office is using VLAN 4, which consists of 3 PCs and a single printer, which were named PC5, PC6, PC10, and printer 1 respectively. The gateway for VLAN 4 was set at 192.168.4.100/24, with the network address as 192.168.4.0/24 and IP address of 192.168.4.250 and 24/24. Next is figure 4, the network configuration for the staff room, VLAN 5 at the company. The staff room is using VLAN 2, which consists of 2 printers, 2 PCs, and an access point, which connects 2 smartphones and a tablet. Each was named Printer 3, Printer 2, PC8, PC7, Access Point 2, Smartphone 0, Smartphone 1, and Tablet PC0, respectively. The gateway for VLAN 2 was set as 192.168.2.100/24, with the network address as 192.168.2.0/24 and an IP address of 192.168.1.250/24. Next is figure 5, Network configuration for the R&D lab VLAN 1 at the company. Referring the figure 5, the R&D lab is using VLAN 1, which consists of 3 PCs and a single printer, which were named PC0, PC1, PC2, and Printer 0 respectively. The gateway for VLAN 1 is set as 192.168.1.100/24 with the network address as 192.168.1.0/24 and an IP of 192.168.1.250/24. However, for this room, the DHCP server in the server room VLAN 3 configures the PC IP address in the R&D lab VLAN 1.